Okay, once you land on your course, once you click on your Math 6 course, this is going to be the first page that you see in your Math 6 course. This video will show you how to get to your lessons and how to complete your assessments. So there are a couple places to get to your lessons. First of all, the class announcements will have your weekly assignments, so you'll be able to see what your assignments are. And your flip lessons will also be on the class announcements page. So twice a week you'll have a flip lesson. You can access that lesson. And once you click on this link, you just put your first and your last name in the Nearpod lesson and press submit, and then it will take you through each of the steps. So here, these are some upcoming assignments that are already in upcoming assignments. So for 1.05, I can click on factors and factorization, and it's going to take me right to my lesson introduction, my 60 seconds, my quick divide. I'm going to learn about factors and prime factorization. You're going to click on each of these links, and it's going to take you through each component of the lesson, and then you're going to practice and do it on your own. This particular lesson does not have a lesson quiz, so then you'll be done with this. Okay, so let's go back. Now for a greatest common factor, this lesson has a lesson assessment. So again, you're going to go through, there are 11 components of this topic. You'll go click on each one of these components, and as you complete it, you'll get a check mark here to the right. You're going to practice finding the greatest common factor. You're going to do it on your own. You're going to explore some greatest common factor and factor trees. Please, you're going to skip the discussion because you notice there's no discussion piece here. So many of my discussion pieces I take from content in our Class Connects. You're going to review prime factorization and greatest common factor, then you will take the lesson assessment right here. Okay, so this is one way you can get to the lessons that are required. The other way you can get there, again, we're on the home page, is you can go click right on numbers and you can say launch. And this is unit 1, and with unit 1 you can go down and you can, this was divide whole numbers, which we covered last week, and this is how you can get to each of your lessons. So here's lesson 1.04. You do the get ready, the learn, the practice, the review, and the assessment. The factors from 1.05 doesn't have an assessment. You'll just do these 3 components, and then again, learn, practice, review, and the assessment. So those are the 2 ways that you can get to your assignments within your Math 6 course. I hope this video tutorial was informative and can help you be successful in this class.